Here's a Canon 5D Mark II, and there is no way to factory reset the camera. There are, however, 3 menu settings that you can use to reset the camera to what would be equivalent to a factory reset. So go into the menus and go over, I forget how many, 5 or 6, and you'll come to camera user settings and clear settings, and it'll have the firmware information. Camera user settings, you can clear these, and these will clear the mode dial settings for the custom C1 to C2, C3. So clear custom 1, and it's cleared, so you can clear all 3 of those. Below that is clear settings, and this will clear all of the camera settings that you see if we go back into these menu items. And then the final one you're going to want to clear is the clear all custom functions, and this will clear all the menu selections from here, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to have to go back and set that up. And that's all you need to do. I will also have info on memory cards for the Canon 5D because I use an adapter with SD cards, and that works pretty well. And I have batteries that have been tested. I can show you how to see if your batteries are still good. So links will be in the description below.